Pleasant good morning to my viewers and my subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Watch, like, share, comment and subscribe. Barry threatens to extremely dangerous category 4 hurricane. Hurricane Barry strengthened into an expert call an extremely dangerous category 4 storm as it approaches the southeast Caribbean, which begins shuttering down Sunday. Urgent pleas for government officials for people to take shelter. Hurricane warning were in effect for Barbados, St. Lucia, Grenada, and the St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Barrel Center is expected to pass about 70 miles, 112 kilometers south of Barbados on Monday morning, said Sabu West, director of Barbados Meteorological Service. This is a very serious situation developing for the Windward Island. Warning: the National Hurricane Center in Miami, which said Beryl was forecast to bring life-threatening winds and storm surge. Beryl was located about 335 miles, 570 kilometers east southeast of Barbados. It had maximum sustained winds of 130 miles per hour, 215 kilometers, and was moving west at 21 miles per hour, 33 kilometers. It is compact storm with hurricane force winds extending 15 miles, 30 kilometers from its center. Beryl is expected to pass just south of Barbados early Monday and then head into the Caribbean Sea as a major hurricane and a path towards Jamaica. It is expected to weaken by midweek but still remains a hurricane as it heads towards Mexico. So my viewers and my subscribers, when you hear that sound, you need to take precaution. Beryl has strengthened into a category 3 hurricane on Sunday morning, becoming the first major hurricane east of lesser altitudes on record for June, according to Philip Collersbach, Florida State University Hurricane Center. It took Beryl only 42 hours to strengthen from a tropical depression to a major hurricane, a feat accomplished only six other times.